Long wide stretches of the ordinary, spinning circles as this life rolls on, from the cradle to the cemetery. Just get through until tomorrow's dawn. Then a burst, a soaring peak, a sudden drop, best or worst. Don't let it end, please make it stop. Instants, moments, one flickering flame of light. What is endless, what is momentary? Grasping memories that refuse to stay. Long wide stretches of the ordinary. Long wide stretches, take them day by day. Then a burst, the fabric's torn, the holy eyes blessed or cursed. The child's born, the parent dies. Instants, moments, a flickering fire by night side. Trapping yourself when you know you should run, mapping out ways but not following one, scrapping more hope when you've only begun. Instants, moments, one flickering flame of light.